In the first tutorial, I showed you how to prepare a cash book, okay? So we are doing a question taken from Cambridge IGCSE Accounting first paper 2022. Okay, so first lesson we did cash book. Now from that account, we will prepare a supplier account, okay? Supplier ledger, which is Rahat. So if you did not watch the first video, I recommend please watch the first video, cash book, then you come back here, otherwise many things you will not understand. Okay, so here before we start, let us have a look at the question on this screen. So here you see 8 transactions. Peter is a trader. The following transaction took place in April 2022. So one by one, these all transactions we recorded on the cash book. Okay, then here we have another requirement. Look at here, prepare the account for Rahat as it would appear in the ledger of Peter. Okay, Peter is the business here and Rahat is the supplier. Balance the account and bring down the balance on 1st May 2022. Okay, so here we already drew the format. Here Peter is a business and we will do here Rahat account. So here 3 columns, date, detail and dollar, same 3 columns, date, detail and dollar. Okay, these columns are here credit columns and here these 3 columns are debit columns. Okay, so now if we see Rahat amount, Rahat balance is increasing, we write on the debit side. If Rahat balance is decreasing, we will write on the credit side. I'll show you later. Okay, so here we see 8 transactions. All transactions will not appear here in this account. Only Rahat related transactions will be appeared. So here first transaction we don't have Rahat. Second one, number 3, paid $798 to Rahat by check in full settlement of a debt of $840. Okay, so here we have a debt, it is $840 and we need to pay this amount to Rahat. Okay, so we are doing Rahat account on our ledger. Okay, so here this is our liability. Okay, this is a credit balance for us, so we will write here in this amount on the credit side. Okay, so let us write here 2022 April 1st. Okay, this is the opening balance of Rahat, okay, the supplier. So here we will write balance BD. Okay, BD stands for brought down, it is $840. You know, supplier account balance is a liability for us. We owe this amount, we have to pay this amount to the supplier. Okay, so it is a credit balance we wrote on the credit side. Then here written on the question, I paid $798 to Rahat. Okay, and here in full settlement of a debt of $840. So later April 3rd, this amount is paid, $840 is paid in full settlement. Okay, so here how much we paid? We paid $798 in full settlement of this amount. That means we got here discount. Peter got here discount. Okay, so here Rahat received this amount. Okay, so Rahat account to be debited and we paid by check, so bank account to be credited. Once again, Rahat is receiver, so receiver account to be debited means Rahat account to be debited and bank account to be credited. Why bank account to be credited? Because bank balance is here decreasing. Decrease in asset will be credited, increase in asset will be debited. The accounting rules, I have a video on this topic, you can watch, you can check out my channel. Okay, so here Rahat is debited, so Rahat is receiver debited, so we will come on the debit side. Okay, we will write on the debit side, but we will not write Rahat, we will write the opposite account, the corresponding account. So opposite account is here bank. Okay, so we will write here bank. So here date is 2022 April 3. Okay, so how much we paid, how much Peter paid to Rahat? Peter paid $798 $98. Okay, so what about other amount? So here he owed, means Peter owed 840, Peter paid 798. So if we subtract, we see here $42. Okay, this $42 discount received. Okay, Peter received the discount from the Rahat. Okay, so we will write here discount. Okay, it is $42 on the same date, April 3. Okay, so this transition is done. Then we have here number 8, it is not related to Rahat. Number 15, purchase goods list price is $320 on credit from a trade discount of 10% from Rahat. Okay, so here we purchase goods from Rahat. What is the transition here? Generalizations. So here purchase to be debited and Rahat account to be credited. So here Rahat account is credited, so we will go to the credit side. We will write on the credit side. Okay, so what to write? We will write here purchase. Okay, so let us write the date first, April 15. We will write here purchase. Okay, now how much you'll write? Look at the questions once again. Here the purchase goods list price is $320 and trade discount is 10%. Okay, so you already know trade discount does not appear in any account, in ledger, trial balance, or statement of financial positions, income statement. Okay, we do not write trade discount, but we write cash discount. Okay, don't forget. Okay, so here Rahat purchased goods to Peter for $320. So here 320, and Peter received 10% trade discount, right? Okay, so if we calculate 10% trade discount, we get here $32. Okay, this is the discount amount. Okay, now the list price was 320. We will subtract the trade discount 320 because this $32 we did not pay. Okay, now if we subtract, we get here 288. Okay, this is the net amount Peter paid to Rahat for this purchase of goods. Okay, so here we will write $288. Okay, so don't write here discount. Okay, it is not a discount, cash discount, it is a trade discount. Trade discount does not appear. So here we do discount, so many of you will be confused. They will write here discount, but remember trade discount does not appear in any ledger account. Okay, so here we finished all the transactions. Now we need to balance it because it is a requirement. We need to balance it, even we need to bring down the balance. Okay, so how to balance bring down? Okay, it is simple. So we have to compare these two columns, debit dollar column and credit dollar column. So which column is greater? So credit column is greater, so we have to sum up the credit column first. Okay, so let us here sum up. So we get $1,128. Okay, this is the total of this column. Now we will take this amount directly to the opposite column, means debit column. Okay, so here we will write same amount, 1,128. Okay, now what to do? Now we will subtract these two amounts from this total. Okay, so here if we subtract, we get $288. Okay, this is what? This is the closing balance of Rahat. Okay, so here we will write balance CD. Okay, CD stands for balance carried down. Okay, and the date for balance CD will be the last day of the month. Okay, so here we are doing for April, so last day of April is 30. So we will write here April 30. So we have a requirement, we need to bring down the balance. Okay, how to bring down? So here on the debit side we got balance CD. On the credit side we will bring down the balance because balance CD and BD cannot come on the same side. Okay, so here balance BD above the total, but balance BD will be below the total. Okay, don't forget, many of you make mistake here. So here we will write here on the detail column balance BD. BD stands for brought down. Okay, the amount is here 288. Okay, so here the date. What date we will write? For balance BD, the date will be 1st May 2021. It is mentioned on the question. Even if it is not mentioned on the question, we have to write the date. And what date, how we will understand. So date for balance BD will be the first day of next period, okay, next month. So here we are doing for April. So first day is May, next month is May, and first day is here 1. So we will write 2022. Here is 1, May 1, okay. So this is how we need to prepare supplier ledger if it is a requirement on the question.